Hi everyone! Today, I'm drawing the Peppa Pig riding a unicorn. Let's draw and color together. Peppa Pig is having the best adventure on her unicorn friend. Where do you think they're going? Peppa Pig and her unicorn are like a dream come true. What color do you think her unicorn is? Riding a unicorn must be so exciting for Peppa Pig. Do you want to ride a unicorn too? Peppa Pig and her unicorn are exploring a magical land. What kind of magical things do you think they will find? Join me, let's add color. Pinky, bring on the color. Wow, Peppa Pig looks so happy on her unicorn. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.